Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things from the box, but not the entire box, alright? So, here it is. This month they gave us a blue wax cotton cord. And remember, the cord that they put on this box is jewelry grade, so you can reuse it, and this color is so pretty. I like this shade. It's very tropical looking, tropical vibe to me. Right? So here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing how to put together the pieces in this box. And it's usually a necklace and a bracelet, but sometimes it'll be like a big extravagant necklace with a pair of earrings. And this box is incredible. I'm always amazed at what we get inside. Alrighty, let's take a little peek. Oh my gosh, what is that? These are awesome. These kind of look like, there's this one bead that's like a denim blue, light denim blue with like a rusty specks, I guess I would say. But it's done on white, a white opaque bead. Anyways, this kind of looks like that, but it looks more gray. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. This is a 8mm Druk, which is just a round Czech bead. That is very pretty. I like those a lot. I don't think I've ever seen this shade of that bead that I'm talking about. It's usually like a blue and brown, but it looks more gray. Almost like a hematite colored gray. Alrighty, what's next? This box looks like it's loaded. Wow. I have never seen this bead before. I wonder if it's some kind of a shell shape. It's a drop. Or button. This might be a button bead. See the hole? Uh-oh, it's running away. See how the hole is? It's like a drop. But it kind of looks like a shell to me. It's very cute. I like that color. It's actually this color with a blue wash. See? I think it's the same color but with a blue wash. Alright, so those are really neat. And then we have oval beads. Same color. This one's lighter. This is the color I'm actually talking about. It's a paler blue. You'll be able to see it here. So see how it's like a light blue with this rusty spots? This is the color I'm talking about. These are neat. I have never seen this bead before. I've never seen that one. We have bead string wire, and I swear that's a lot of bead string wire in the bag, so it might be multi-strand. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I like this one more than that one. It's very pretty. Yes, that is so pretty. Very gorgeous. This one has like a bronzy luster on it. Really nice. Alrighty, what's next? Seed beads. Oh my gosh, I didn't know this finish existed in a seed bead. I don't want to open it. So it's basically this here, but it's more of a greenish blue with the bronze. A rusty color. That's so cool. I actually thought it was that silver seed bead color, but it's not. This is what's it called? Crimp Beads. That's it. And these are really good quality ones, by the way. I like them a lot. They're kind of thick. And then we have 4, 6, or 7mm. I think they're 7 jump rings. And then, oh my gosh, I really, really love these. These are seed beads. I think they're 6/0s. I'm not totally sure. This is called Crystal Picasso. I've actually bought a lot of their Picasso seed beads because they sell a whole bunch. Look at how gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Oh, don't drop it. I love those. I'm gonna put these in my shopping cart and reorder those. Okay, this box is very interesting so far. I only have a few things out. Come on, close. Close already. I don't know if it's closing. And then, oh my gosh! We have Crystal Picasso bugle beads. I didn't know these existed either. This is so cool. They kind of look like they're dirty straws. These look like a tiny dirty straw. Kind of strange. I don't know if I would buy those. I think those are kind of weird actually. But I love it. And that bead. I don't know. I might change my mind when I see it strung. I feel like these bags aren't closing. They don't seem to be closing. Yeah, it's not closed. Oh my god. I'm gonna deal with it later. Oh, this is a disc bead. It's a 6mm bead. I love these beads. Whenever I see these, I buy them because I use these to make flowers. This would be an amazing color to do as a flower. I'll put a picture up for that. These bags are different. These are not the same bags they've used all this time. They don't want to close for me. Oh, I love this one. We got this bead before in the past in a necklace done with a whole bunch of Picasso beads and antique bronze. And I think it had a matching bracelet. I think it did. Anyways, I'll look for that and put a picture up. So this is them. It actually looks like an extremely pale pink with a gold wash over it. It's so gorgeous. I do have these in my cart. I want to reorder them. They are so amazing. Very unique. And they look good with this pink disc. Right there. And then we have 2 lobster claw clasps, so it will be a necklace and bracelet. Oh my gosh, the beads in this box. Look at this. This is chartreuse, and it has luster on it, and luster is white. Like a pearl white. Aren't those pretty? This is gonna look great with the blue. There's the green ones. So I'm kind of digging this color mix. It's different. I really am not closing these bags. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Okay, close that time. And then, oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, this bead, I think that is opal beige color with a green marble on it. I've never seen this one before. I'm kind of afraid I'm going to lose them. Let's see. Yes, it is. Okay, let's see if I can get my camera to focus well. See, it's like beige, an opal beige with a green marbling, but it's kind of a turquoise green color. It is stunning. I think I would like to have it in a 4mm though, because you could see it better. And then What in the world? Look at how the beads are in the bag. It looks like they're strung. They're in a straight line. That's weird. I guess it's like vacuumed. There's not much air in it. That's why they're doing that. I'm easily amused, okay? Okay? At least I'm not bored. A lot of people are bored all the time, not me. I always find something to entertain me. Wow. What is this color? This is milky chartreuse green. And there is a metallic... Oh, how do I explain this? It looks like mercury glass over top. It's really gorgeous. I've never seen this color. I like those a lot. And again, the bag does not want to close. Close for me. And then I think this is a, what's it called? Extender chain? Is it one though? Yeah, one extender chain. That's probably for the bracelet. I'm guessing. I like it when I go to, you know, I make this project every month. And then when I go and watch this video and I'm editing it, it's kind of funny how I'm usually right most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time I make guesses that are right, and like, I think it's funny. Wow. I like this color better. Look at this. Never seen this before. This has a white wash over. I would never think to put that over this color, and it looks so amazing. Look at that. So again, it's that drop bead or button bead. And look at that color. It's the same color as this here. But it has that white wash on it. Really neat. And then I think this is a pink Travertine Druk. Yes, but it does have a luster on it. Very pretty. I would like to reorder these too. I'm gonna have to put these in my shopping cart for Christmas. That's when I usually reorder, around Christmas. Okay, and what's this? Is this a bigger one? Oh my gosh, they're so pretty! I've actually never seen this one before. It's opaque pink with travertine on it. So this is a 6mm, and this is 8. Look at how precious. It's very gorgeous, and I bet these are going to look amazing together. Look at that. They're so gorgeous. Okay. Mind frame. Yeah. Next thing. Oh, we have a pendant. Life is a gift. There's a tree near the side. This is cute. Oh, it's thick. Look how thick it is. It's like a nickel. Life is a gift. Beautiful tree. I love double-sided charms and pendants. They're the best. And then, what's this? Druks? Oh my gosh. This is not the same, it's different. At least I don't think it is. I mean, it doesn't look like it has brown on it. It's chartreuse green, but with like a green wash over. That one has a brown, bronzy looking color. These are awesome too. I like those a lot. I wonder if this is going to be like a random looking strung necklace. This designer who designs for this box is really good at asymmetry. I'm terrible at it, but they make some really unique asymmetrical designs. Okay, that's it. We got all the stuff out. There's no leaky beads. Here's everything we are getting in the BohemStyle monthly subscription box. I'm going to link this box down below in the description bar. If you go to the beginning of this video and the end, you will see a picture of what all of this looks like together. When I get done filming this, I have to film another video, but I have to edit tonight. Maybe tomorrow I'll put this together and you'll see the picture at the beginning in the video of what all of this looks like put together. So if you want, you can buy this whole box, or if you like some of the beads here but don't want the box, I will link all of these beads down below in the description bar. Alright, so this is it. I'm very excited to put this together. I think the colors are really unique. I like the greens. I love these pinks. I definitely want to reorder those. I hope they're still in stock around Christmas time, and I want to reorder those. They're very gorgeous. I hope that you guys enjoyed the box opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.